Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Navid Hosseini and this is Hyperpix. Hope you all doing well. As usual, I'm back with another text effects from our 80s collection from Hyperpix. I'm Navid here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply this text and your logo to this style in less than like a couple of minutes. Without any knowledge of Photoshop, you can apply anything to this style. If you want to download this template, all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account. You can also get our free text styles. Go to Hyperpix and there are tons of free text styles that you can use this in your next projects and enjoy. Okay, why don't we just jump straight to the video? But before anything else, let me show you that this text effect is applicable to any language, just like this one in Japanese look, without any problem in the look. So don't worry about the language. This text effect is exactly what you're looking for. Okay, to edit this, right click on the yellow layer and select edit content. Okay, double click on the text layer and type your own text. Okay, and from here you can also change the pattern. Open the FX window and go to pattern overlay and drag on the empty space of the window and change it. But keep this in mind that always keep it in the middle if you needed this. Okay, I think text is okay. I want to change the letter space a little bit. Okay, I think it's good. I'm gonna close it and I'm gonna select yes. Oh, beautiful. You can see the result here. Let me show you how the other layers works. I can edit this one too. Single tracks. Okay. We can change the space from here. Okay, perfect. Let me show you how these works. Go to adjustments. You can see the color and brightness and contrast of your design. You can double click on them and change the variables so that you can get the new results depending on your color taste. You can do the same thing for others. We got a vignette. There is an inner shadow around our design here. It gives a cinematic look to our design. You can also disable it or enable it. Okay, we got noise on. There is a little bit noise on the top of our design to get a retro look. Our designers decided to put that here. But if you don't want it, there's no problem. Turn this off and turn on the noise on. There is no noise, very sharp. But keep this in mind that actually one of these two has to be on. You can't have both of them on or neither have them turned off. One of these two has to be on. Easy, right? Okay. Well, we're here with the adjustments. Next one, we got there's smoke here. This is subtle effects. It's not very important. We can turn this off or turn this on. We got sparkles, just most of our products. There are sparkles that you can put them on the highlights of your text where you think there is a reflection, and it gives you a realistic look and result. Okay. If you don't like them, all you gotta do is select them and remove them. You can also press Alt and drag them where you want so you can get a copy of it and you have more speed in editing. Okay. Let's go to the next folder. We got actually here a text layer here. Double click on it and type whatever you want. And we got another layer here, which is the text layer here. We got the FX folder, which contains the technical parts and structures of our design. Skip this one. We got background folder. In the background, we got these lines here, which easily you can double click on this layer and change it. Just like, look at here. Beautiful. You can change the color. Don't worry about that. Okay. These are our lines. You can also change the color from the top. We got glow here. Just double click on it and change the color and get what you want. Okay. There it is with this style. I hope you enjoyed this one. Before finishing this video, we can apply this style to a logo. Let me show you how this works. We can apply an 80s design to our logo. Okay, let me show you. Let's get back to this window and now import our logo into Photoshop. I'm gonna drag it and drop it here. And I'm gonna remove one of these text layers and I'm gonna lower the other one. I'm gonna position it wherever I want. And I think it's good here. Let's get here. I want to apply this style to both text and to the logo. Okay, if I apply this effects on the logo, just one part of our logo gets this style. Just like you can hear, I'm gonna right click and select copy layer style. I'm gonna paste it on a logo layer. You see, one of our one part of our design gets this style. So if we want to apply this to both, we gotta split this in two. Control Shift J or Command Shift J on Mac. As you can see, we got two separate layers that we can apply our style to each of them. Click on the FX window and go to Pattern Overlay, and you can position it where you want. You can also have the scale up to 150. This might cause a little problem with quality, but it's not going to be a problem with low resolutions. Okay, I'm going to position this on Toyota logo. Okay, it's good. Beautifully done. I'm going to close it and select yes. There it is. As you can see, our style has been applied. I'm going to customize it a little bit so you can get my own result. I'm going to lower this text and I'm going to, as you can see here, I'm done with this text. I'm going to remove it. We got effects and this there. I'm going to position it in the middle actually a bit. Okay, I'm going to edit this text, double click, and I'm going to type Toyota's slogan. There it is. I'm going to go to lines in the background. I'm going to bring the line a bit up there so we can have our logo in the middle of them. Okay, just keep this in mind that press Alt and click on the thumbnail. Okay, select Control T or Command T and resize it from the sides. Okay, click here, and as you can see, you see the lines a little bit like contracted. Okay, I'm gonna select this and I'm gonna press Control T and resize it from the sides again. Yeah, you see that? Okay, this is what happened. We brought line a little bit up there and got it closer to our logo. Okay, all we gotta do, I'm gonna remove all the sparkle layers and except but for one, and I'm going to press Alt and drag it wherever I want. I'm gonna put this on the edges so you can get a reflection look. You do the same thing. Okay. Very good. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to get this style, go to all you gotta do is go to hyperpix.net and get a premium account and get this and hundreds of text styles. Okay, please subscribe to our channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next video,